Hi fellows, welcome back over here to Micro Speed Shop. We are here on our Rot 3D project. Basically, we try to build a Rot with the 3D projects that we offer in a store at Etsy. Please remember to visit our store. But over here, we're gonna try this engine right here. We got a little skeleton head on top of it. It's really good quality stuff, very detailed, super detailed. Gonna delete these headers and use this instead. Got a bottle of nitrous over there. We got seats. All these we offered. We had a rod chassis. We do also offer a truck chassis. We got a couple of leaf springs, a tank. We have a radiator right there. Radiator delivered by Auto Parts. There you go. So with that, we're gonna try to build a rod with all of our 3D chassis parts. Well, I cheated a little bit and I went ahead and did that. So that's basically that frame and this configuration right here. I was able to get the engine, delete the headers that came with that engine, right there, those headers. And I utilize ours. They look a little bit better. I got some tubing, be able to swap tires and try different tires and different styles. This car is gonna be a model for a whole bunch of tires we just got. There is some on the back. I use a one old school one leaf spring on the back. On the front, I'm not gonna do it now. We can see what it looks like once we put everything together. I was able to do the inside of it too as well. Got our seats there. Poorly done, but that's gonna be inside the cab anyway of the rod. I already did the measurements. I make this case right here with this material here, praline I guess it's called. But I was able to make this to accommodate the seats and everything inside the cabin and go around the engine and put it on front of that rod. So I'm gonna put it together and see what it looks like. We'll come back and revisit that and see where we're at. I'm gonna build a differential. Although our lift kit comes with two of them on the very back, that you just put the axle through here and that will act as a differential. Then any tubing can do. But since I already put my axle in there, I'm not gonna take that apart to do that. So I'm gonna do my own with some milliput. Just gonna make a little ball, put it around there, and then get the tubing in here and connect it to the engine back there, so it will look like I have a differential. I'm gonna check into that.